Outdoor cooking, a fun way to learn English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and fun topic: outdoor cooking. This is not just about cooking, but about learning English through everyday activities. So, let's dive in and learn some new English phrases and words related to outdoor cooking. Outdoor cooking refers to the process of preparing and cooking food outside, typically in a natural environment. This can include barbecuing, grilling, smoking, or even cooking over an open fire. It's a popular activity in many cultures, especially during camping trips, picnics, and backyard parties. In this section, we will learn some essential vocabulary related to outdoor cooking. For instance, grill refers to cooking food on a metal frame over a fire. Barbecue, on the other hand, is both a cooking method and an apparatus. Smoking is a technique of flavoring and cooking food by exposing it to smoke. Understanding these terms is crucial when discussing outdoor cooking. Here, we'll look at some common phrases. For example, to fire up the grill means to start the grill for cooking. To flip the burgers means to turn the burgers over on the grill. These phrases are not only useful in outdoor cooking scenarios but also add to your everyday English vocabulary. Outdoor cooking is more than just a method of preparing food. It's a cultural experience. It's associated with social gatherings, family reunions, and celebrations. In this section, we'll explore how outdoor cooking is perceived and enjoyed in different cultures around the world. For those interested in trying outdoor cooking, this section provides practical tips. We'll cover safety measures, essential equipment, and basic cooking techniques. This part is especially useful for beginners who want to start outdoor cooking. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Outdoor cooking is not just about food. It's a wonderful way to learn about different cultures and enhance your English language skills in a fun setting. Keep practicing your English, and maybe try some outdoor cooking too. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.